Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You must act fast. Scrape away solid chocolate with a spoon, then blot, do not rub, so the stain doesn't spread. Mix 1 tsp liquid laundry detergent with 1 cup cool water. This breaks fats and sugar. Once done, apply the solution to the stain with a clean cloth, dabbing repeatedly to lift color. Make sure to work from the fabric edge toward the center to prevent a larger ring. This first step sets you up for full removal in the next phase. Now you go deeper. Gently massage the detergent into the fibers to emulsify chocolate oils and sugar. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so chemistry happens. After resting, rinse under cool running water from the back to push residues out. If the stain remains visible, pre-soak the area in a 1-to-1 solution of white vinegar and water for 15 minutes. Vinegar alters pigments and helps lift stubborn color. Then rinse again and evaluate. This sequence finish by laundering according to the garment label on the warmest safe setting with your usual detergent. Once done, air dry, heat can set remnants permanently. If a faint mark remains after washing, repeat the detergent treatment and vinegar soak, or use an oxygen-based bleach following package directions. This attacks pigment without harshness. If a stubborn residue persists, do not tumble dry. Instead, repeat treatments or seek professional cleaning. One key tip: never apply heat until you can no longer detect any stain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.